What is up, guys? Please don't mind my hair and this cute little blotch on my face. Not exactly sure where that's coming from, but here's a nice little intro to this video because we never have any. So this is a nice vlog combined of the past 2 days, I think.
Hope you enjoy.
What's up, guys? Starting the day bright and early with a vlog. It's Wednesday, first full week of school, so kind of hate it, but you know, gotta do what you gotta do, I guess. Let's just pray that I can get through the week, which I probably won't be able to, and I'll just let you know how many classes I fall asleep in, so yeah. Good morning.
I feel like death himself.
Hi. With what?
Getting out of here.
Okay, guys. First period. Cam.
Do you guys know
about to take a quiz.
Yeah. Who was?
What's up, guys? It's been a hot minute. We're now in period 5, public speaking. So we're doing a nice project. It's called
Grace doesn't know when my birthday is.
It's a mistake. I do know what it is. Please don't.
Hey, Lily.
What?
That happens to me all the time, actually.
Famous Scorpio.
Okay, delete this.
Education
You can't use this. I need to see it. You can't use it in the vlog. Nope.
Okay, we have to use what?
It's really just like hammerhead
What?
and like there's like
ASMR for you host.
and like I see goggles on and like it would look a fun.
That's getting cut out for sure.
None of this is going in it.
Actually, probably all of it is because it's gonna be awkward and gross and weird, and
I don't want.
that's not going in.
I want to see that. About Supernatural. That show is kind of cool but weird.
Oh my god, no, there's this bike.
I hate this.
Who does?
Okay, bye.
Who does? Who does?
That kid in the gray shirt.
Okay, good night. Oh my god. Hi.
Hey guys, so our like whole school's flooded, so we can't do anything.
Okay.
It's not flooded at all.
It's just
But it
what?
was. It was.
It's what? The well-fit room and the boys' locker room.
It was flooded. Okay, it looks like I'm not wearing clothing. Sorry about that.
She's wearing a
I'm
tank top, guys.
sweating.
Don't even worry.
I look disgusting.
Okay. All right. Cool. Going outside for well-fit because you know we can't.
Go in the welfare room. We're actually reuniting with our friends. So.
Yes, reuniting with our friends.
What's it? You're like,
Just gonna continue to do the air quotes, even if they're not necessary. So.
sweet.
Okay, well, 7th period now. Didn't get to ask this question earlier because you know Miss Lavin started walking towards me, even though she wasn't actually talking to me. She was just talking to somebody else, but she was coming near me, so I was like, better put it away. But what would you guys rather see us do? Go pumpkin picking or apple picking? Comment down below. We'll make a pie out of it or carve pumpkins. We can make apple pie. We can make apple something.
Apple
We
crumble?
can make pumpkin pie.
Apple
we
crisp.
can, yeah, apple crisp. That was the other one I was
Pumpkin
thinking of.
loaf cake?
And then we can also, we can also carve
cider?
pumpkins.
Like,
So.
I don't know how to make that.
So yeah, we can do that, but just comment down below which one you want to see us do, or both. I don't really care. What is up, guys? Day 3. Actually, not day 3. It's like freaking like day like 15 or something. I don't know. Oh. Hey.
It's me, your girl.
Oh, we're in the library.
I love this for us.
Oh wait, what?
library.
We're in the. Oh, okay.
Is that another class in our room?
I'm concerned, confused, shook
Are
to
we
my
sure
core.
it's the period?
Yeah.
I never know what period is.
Actually, I don't ever know what anything is, so
Yeah.
love that.
I'm really excited about my channel.
Get excited. That's how you get the subscribers, you know?
Really just
Brooks vlog.
feeling. That's beautiful. I love that.
Hey girl. Ew. No. That needs to end.
I don't know how far they have to go.
Gotta get this on the vlog. Here we go.
Jake!
Yes, Jake.
4.
Be like, Lucas, you need to get my shirt.
I'm done.
Bring this on the vlog. What class are you in?
14.